4 sets, and then it'll repeat as well.
Alright, so my name is Kathleen.
I'm Jerold Elliott.
I'm Richard Menendez.
So first we start with the rubber band. We pull it, and this one we hit the ramp, and then here will be another ball. It will keep rolling, and then the chopstick falling all the way to hit the dominoes.
Domino starts off on our first rigid body motion, and so it's going to continue off. This last domino is going to fall off into that little pail down there. That's going to be hit a free fall into the pail, and then it turns into kinematics where it pulls on the rope, pulls up the ramp on this other side. It's another kinetics.
And for our last part, once that marble starts rolling down, it'll hit this little spoon-looking device. We count it as both kinetics and rotation motions. This is an impact and it rotates, which will cause it to rotate and let the marble fall back to the cup. The cup will pull our rigid body wheel that will cause it to spin and hit the other last spoon, and the spoon will tilt, causing that last marble in there to fall into the cup.